What's up, y'all? Just killed a bird. Hope the sound don't mess up because I'm having a problem with it, but it's like a heart shot, really trying to go for the neck, but it's really close. And I'll go show it to you. Y'all see that devastating? Well, y'all see it? I hope y'all can see it. Man, I thought something. My dad was coming. He don't like me on this crap. But you see that devastating heart shot almost to the neck? I'm going to feed him to my cat, and it's a pretty bad headshot. And I'll show you the gun I use for fucking hunting. It's right here across from the Storm XT. Yeah, the scope, and it ain't like one of those. I'm like, it ain't like those scopes you get that come with it. It's like a different one. The reason the caps are off because I lost them, and but yeah, this scope is like so clear. I bet even the camera couldn't even like focus on it how clear it is. And it's like it's a Casco Procorn. You have to remove the sights and all, get it closer, get it farther. Yeah. That's pretty much all, and this is Pellet Hunter. Crap, what the fuck is it? 13.